Welcome to another great tutorial. Today we're just going to be having a look at how to export your video for EBSynth. So you might want to create some cool animations in that program. So how do you get started? This is just all you need to do in Premiere Pro. Okay, first thing to do is go to File, Export and Media. Look for the format choice and change it to either PNG or TIFF to give you the best results. Then save your file name as the very first file name in the sequence that's going to be exported. So you would start that off with 1. As you've just seen, I've already done the export, so now it's time for you to do it. Any problems, leave a comment in the comments below, and if you liked the video, please like it and remember to subscribe to the channel. Thanks and have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.